Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever seen those vibrant circular designs on barns in Pennsylvania and wondered what they are? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Pennsylvania Dutch Hex Signs. These aren't just pretty decorations, they're steeped in tradition and symbolism. If you've ever wanted to create your own, you're in the right place. This is a beginner-friendly, step-by-step tutorial to get you started. So, what exactly are hex signs? Despite the name, they weren't originally intended to cast spells or curses, although that's a common misconception. The word hex comes from the German word hex, which can mean witch, but in this context, it's more related to bringing luck or warding off misfortune. These beautiful designs are a form of folk art that was brought to America by the Pennsylvania Dutch. They were traditionally painted on barns and other buildings as a way to bring blessings, protection, and good fortune. The beauty of hex signs lies not only in their appearance, but also in their rich symbolism. Each element and color has a specific meaning. Stars often represent good luck and ward off evil. Rosettes symbolize unity and eternity. Tulips can represent faith, hope, and charity. Hearts typically symbolize love and the unity of the family. Wavy or scalloped lines often represent water, rain, or fertility. Colors also have significance: red for love, yellow for sun and happiness, green for growth and fertility, blue for protection, and white for purity. We'll be using some of these traditional symbols in our beginner hex sign today. Before we start painting, let's gather our supplies. You'll need to list the materials clearly as visuals show them. Don't worry if you don't have everything fancy. We're keeping it simple for our first project. All right, let's get started. Prepare your surface. Make sure your wood or canvas is clean and ready to be painted. Find the center. Lightly mark the center of your circle with a pencil. Draw concentric circles using your compass or by tracing round objects of different sizes. Draw 2 or 3 concentric circles. These will create the borders of your design. Add the main elements. For our beginner design, we'll do a simple star and rosette combination. Lightly sketch a 6-pointed star within the inner circle. You can use a ruler to make sure the points are evenly spaced. Outline the rosette in the space between your inner and middle circles. You can add a simple rosette pattern by drawing overlapping curves or petal shapes. Now for the fun part: painting. Start with the base colors. You can choose your color scheme, but for a traditional look, we'll use red, yellow, and blue as our main colors. Paint the background of your inner circle with one color and the area between the circles with another. Paint the symbols carefully. Paint your star and rosette elements with contrasting colors. Remember the symbolism we talked about earlier. Add details and outlines, use a smaller brush, and perhaps a darker color like black or a contrasting main color to outline the shapes and add details like dots or small curves to enhance the design. Consider adding borders. You can paint the outermost circle in another color to frame your hex sign. And there you have it, your very own handmade Pennsylvania Dutch Hex Sign. Once the paint is dry, you can proudly display it in your home to bring a touch of folk art and good fortune. You can hang it on a wall, place it on a shelf, or even incorporate it into a larger craft project. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own hex sign today. This is just a basic design to get you started. And there are countless other beautiful and intricate patterns you can explore. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more hex sign tutorials in the future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more creative content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.